Hey everyone, Mike here from UrnSpiration. Here we go with a quick overview of our UrnSpiration program. Let me start with something most of us have experienced. Picture a couple navigating a paint swatch fan deck, trying to make the perfect color choice as hundreds of nearly identical shades blur together. They flip, and the more they see, the harder the decision becomes. Now imagine this similar frustration. But it's a family trying to choose a cremation urn from a 100-plus page catalog. Endless options. No structure, and no clear path to make a decision. That's the problem the UrnSpiration program was built to solve. Families don't want endless choices, they want clarity. The $200 billion paint industry figured this out. Now, UrnSpiration brings that same clarity to memorial selection. UrnSpiration relies on three simple core principles: segmentation, simplification, and personalization. First, segmentation. Families don't all need to see the same thing. So instead of one giant catalog, UrnSpiration segments the experience from the start based on customer groups: adult, military and first responder, couples, child and infant, accessories, and even pets. This way, families only see what's relevant to their situation. Segmentation cuts through the chaos instantly. Second, simplification. Once families are in the right segment, we simplify. We've replaced your shotgun approach supplier catalogs with 7 core data-driven urn collections, which account for nearly 90% of what families actually choose. No fringe designs, no distractions, no overwhelming pages of options that don't matter right now. Just clean, modern collections built from insights gained from serving over 500,000 families. Third, personalization. Once families feel grounded, their focus naturally shifts to honoring their loved one through personalization. Our UrnSpiration Memorials allows families to incorporate nearly anything: photographs, service emblems, local elements, in a guided, thoughtful way. Personalization now becomes about honoring a life, not navigating a decision maze. Now let's look at the 3 UrnSpiration touchpoints, starting with the lookbooks. Our lookbooks replace traditional supplier urn catalogs entirely. Each lookbook is segmented by customer group, so families only see designs that make sense for them. For example, a military family sees urns designed to honor service and sacrifice, not child urns, long stem rose keepsakes, or cast bronze dolphin urns. Lookbooks give directors a clean, visual way to guide families with confidence. When a family says, "I like this," that's where our galleries take over. Let's look at some galleries. Each lookbook connects to our galleries through links and QR codes. Think Pinterest meets memorials. These are real tributes from real families, organized by both customer group and collection. Families don't have to imagine what feels right, they can see it. And inspiration beats overload, always. Finally, our Urn Store. Our Urn Store is branded to your funeral home and lives right on your website. Families can browse by segment or by collection, shop at their convenience, and place orders at your retail pricing. We even have a curated selection of everyday traditional urns. Your team is notified when families place an order, and your funeral home earns 50% on every sale, with multiple pricing tiers to match your margin goals. Directors can also use our Urn Store as a digital display in the arrangement room. A tablet or flat screen works beautifully here. After guiding families with lookbooks and galleries, directors can place orders through our B2B portal, or families can order directly online. Everything stays inside your ecosystem, not Amazon's. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.